guys, we are not done. So now that you already disputed your first inquiries, right? So either they got verified, and so, okay, they're supposed to be up there, or they got removed. Plain and simple. There's no way around it, right? So if you got verified, the next step, you have to prove it, right? So let's go back into our course. Our ebook is very, very important, right? So boom, click on the ebook, go back and view your product. But I already have pulled these things up. Okay, so this is what I did. Let's read this out together. So we did a basic dispute, include the inquiries, collection account, close accounts, incorrect names, addresses, business addresses, things of that nature. That was a basic dispute, right? So now we want to do the 609 letter, the prove it letter. What is the prove it letter? 609 letter is based on rights granted under Section 609 of the Fair Credit Report Act. Under Section 609, credit reporting agencies are required to disclose certain information to consumers who request it. In addition to the required disclosure of the information in your credit file, Section 609 of the FCRA requires credit bureaus to provide a summary of your rights under the FCRA, a list of the federal agencies who enforce the FCRA, and a statement that the credit bureaus is not required to remove accurate negative information unless it is outdated or cannot be verified. So now we want to verify this information. So what did I do? I added this letter to the back office, the 609 letter. So now when you go up there, you'll see 609, the prove it letter. So all this information going to be up there. So basically, you're going to hit them back with, this letter is a formal complaint that you are reporting inaccurate and incomplete credit information. This is on, this is on the ebook. So go through the ebook and you'll learn how to dispute. I'm just going by what the ebook is telling us what to do, and that's how we're getting these results. I am distressed that you have included the information below in my credit profile and that you have failed to maintain reasonable procedures in your operation to assure maximum possible accuracy in the credit report you publish. Credit reporting law ensure that bureau report only 100% accurate credit information. Every step must be taken to ensure the information reported is completely accurate and correct. The following information therefore needs to be reinvestigated. According to the Fair Credit Report Act, Section 609A1, you are required by federal law to verify through the physical verification of the original signed consumer contract any and all accounts that you have posted on the credit report. Otherwise, anyone paying for your report service could fax, mail, or email in fraudulent account. I demand to see verifiable proof and original consumer contract with my signature on it that you have on file with the account listed below. Your failure to positively verify these accounts has hurt my ability to obtain credit. Under the FCRA, unverified account must be removed, and if you are unable to provide me a copy of verified proof, you must remove the account listed below. The account listed below. So what did we just do? Okay, they verified it and they said it's ours. Okay, we need to see the original contract. We need to see the original contract that I signed on that date stating that that was me. That was me going. Now we're targeting still the credit bureaus, but now we want you to go back to the people that sold you my information. We're gonna go back to them. Okay, where's the original contract that I've signed saying that this is my information, that this is my contract? 9 times out of 10, they're not gonna have it, guys. Okay, so if they can't provide you with that and feedback, they're gonna drop it again. Okay, and this is step 2, and the same thing with step 1. After we do this right here, we're gonna backdate it again, guys. Backdate these disputes, backdate it, and then send it off. Wait 2 weeks, and then hit them with the CFPB again. We're gonna get these results. All right. So how does it look when we're doing a dispute? Okay. All right. So boom, right here, DIY credit repair, create dispute letter. Right. So I created a quick dispute letter. I just did that right there. I went here. And now it says 609 prove it letter, okay? And I created a dispute. When I created a dispute, it popped up like this right here. Same letter that was in the ebook, guys, right? Same letter that was in the ebook. And it's gonna go out to them. This is 609, it's the 609 prove it letter. Prove to me that this information is mine, verified. I wanna see the original contract when I first signed this, okay? And then boom, same as step 1. Print it out, mail it out, and take off, guys. And in the next step 3, we're going after the collectors. All right. So this right now, we're going after the bureaus. Then we're gonna go after the collectors that's selling our information. So just keep the process going. And I'm proud of you guys that's actually taking action. But we want to get these results. All right. So if anybody needs any questions, or any questions answered under this video that I drop in the chat, just leave a comment and I'll get right back to you. If there's anything that you need from me, let me know so I can make one video, do it one time so everybody can get the information all at once instead of me picking. And you know what I'm saying? So y'all got me. I'm sorry. I'm a little bit on coffee. I want to make sure y'all get this material. And yeah, I'm just happy, yo. I'm happy to see everybody getting results. But this is step 2, second month in the GT approved DIY credit repair. Y'all guys get to work, man. I see you.